Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Tamzid Hussain again with another video. So today we are going to discuss about Google Photos. Yes, Google Photos is no longer free. We used to have 15 GB of storage for our original file sizes, original images actually, and unlimited storage for our high quality images. So that thing is changing. There will be no more unlimited storage for our high quality images. So first clear what are those high quality images and original size images are. Original size images are those images that has been captured and stored on your phone's internal or external storages. For example, if you upload a 3 megabytes image on Google Photos, it will consume exactly the same size as it is, which is 3 megabytes. Whereas high quality images are those images that has been compressed slightly to reduce the file size of the image in order to handle it easily. So those are smart compressions that help to reduce file sizes or mostly images to consume less data. Now let's get back to the topic. So what will happen to all those millions of Google Photos users and their images and videos? Will they be gone or deleted? Not actually, because all the photos that you have been saved on your Google Photos will be considered outside of that 15 GB storage till May 31, 2021. From 1st July of 2021, newer uploads of photos and videos will be considered under those 15 GB for all of your Google services. So what are the alternatives that you can take instead of Google Photos? Spoiler alert, there is no alternative. Some of the choices you can make for your images and videos are Microsoft OneDrive. It is one of the most renowned cloud storage service solution for you. It can back up your photos and other files as well, so that is not actually for photos or videos solely. It has pretty amazing plans too. Its plan starts from 160 taka per month for 100 GB of storage. Next is iCloud. iCloud is for Apple users actually. It starts with 20 GB of storage for $1 and you get 5 GB of storage for free. Next is iDrive. It is one of the most expensive cloud storage solution for you because it starts from 5 terabytes of storage at the beginning, so that is also there. Next is Dropbox, that is also very renowned and it is quite expensive too with some attractive plans, so it can also work for you. Lastly, there is cloud storage service solution from almost all phone manufacturing companies like Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Asus, and they provide some affordable and amazing plans for your images and all the datas. However, I have read many articles about this issue and after my own research, I have found that there are not many alternatives of Google Photos or actually Google One storage service because it is one of the most affordable and accessible cloud storage solution because it offers you 150 taka plans per month that is offering you 100 GB of storage for you, and it actually is synchronized with other Google services like Google Drive, Gmail, etc. If you really want to buy storage for your data,
Google One is the choice to go, I think. And in the context of our country, it is also quite complex for some people because not every people has debit or credit cards and you need to activate the dual currency mode of your cards for purchasing those storages.
I am quite skeptical about this issue because once you are getting any service for free, after that convincing yourself for the same service is very tough even if the cost is 1 taka. Please let me know what you think about this issue and what are your steps you are going to take after this change if you are using Google Photos especially. So there you have it. Thank you so much for having with me. Subscribe to my channel for more fun and tech videos. Have a good day. Take care. Assalamualaikum.